Ready to save big on your HostGator web hosting purchase, plus get a free domain name? Then this HostGator discount video is for you. In this video, I'm providing you with the latest HostGator coupon code discount that will get you up to 70% off HostGator web hosting, plus a free domain name. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of the HostGator discount. I've included the HostGator coupon code next to the link in the description that I'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from HostGator at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome HostGator discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the HostGator page. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be taken down to the HostGator hosting plans page. The Hatchling plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, free domain for the first year, free SSL for the first year, WordPress pre-installed, and malware scanning. The big plan comes with up to 20 websites, 20 gigabytes of SSD storage, phone and chat support, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, free domain for the first year, free SSL, WordPress pre-installed, malware scanning, Cloudflare CDN, and increased performance with 2V CPUs. The business plan comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, phone and chat support, unmetered bandwidth, basic email included, free domain for the first year, free SSL, WordPress pre-installed, malware scanning, Cloudflare CDN, increased performance, 3V CPUs, daily website backup free for the first year, and domain privacy free for the first year. Choose the plan you'd like. I'll select the Hatchling plan for this tutorial. On this page, you'll see you'll get a free domain name for a year with annual plans. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Enter a Coupon Code section. Input the HostGator coupon code I provided with the link in the description. Click the Validate button to activate the HostGator promo code. Scroll back up to the top where you see Billing Cycle. Click this. You'll see the terms and pricing for HostGator. You'll see the savings you'll save. You can choose a monthly term, 12-month term, and 36-month term. Enjoy your HostGator coupon code discount so you can save money on your HostGator hosting purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more HostGator hosting tutorial videos.